Tears of old parents for their children. When you see us old and in a bad shape, bear with us. We need your warmth, company, and sympathy. If we cannot live alone, even a small room in your house with broken furniture would be sufficient. When we say something childish, do not scold us. Old age is like second childhood. When we repeat the same words again and again, do not get irritated. Our mind has lost its sharpness and our memory fails us often. If we spill tea on our clothes, do not scold us. It is difficult at times to steadily hold a teacup. If while talking we forget or pause, please be patient. The real thing is not conversation. We only want to find an excuse to spend time with you. When we cannot properly walk, lend us support. It feels as if we are not alone. When we feel lonely, do take out time for us. Loneliness is killing at times. Staring at the walls and out of the window sometimes gets monotonous. When we are dependent on you to go out to a doctor, do not keep delaying or postponing it. We bring our illness to your notice when we simply cannot bear it. When we are not able to use the technology of modern times, such as email, internet, Facebook, and WhatsApp, make efforts to teach us. It can help us connect to the world and remain busy. When we say that we do not want to live anymore, do not get mad at us. At times, it is difficult to cope with the miseries of old age. Often, we do realize later that we should not have said this, so ignore us for our incoherent talk.